Let's dive into our first demo where we create our class library project, we create our unit test project, and we write our test stubs. Open up Visual Studio 2019 and click on Create a New Project. Search for a class library and find the one that says Class Library .NET Core. Click Next. We'll give it a name, My Classes, and we'll click Create. Once we have our class library, click on the project, right mouse click, and choose Properties. Once the properties appear, choose the target framework and change it to .NET 5.0. Now this may change in future versions, so just pay attention to what target framework it comes up with. Let's go ahead and rename Class 1 here as FileProcess. And then let's add a method inside of our class called FileProcess called FileExists. And this is just like what I showed you on the slides. On line 7, we create our public bool FileExists, passing in a file name. On lines 9 through 12, we check to see if that file name is empty or null, and if it is, we will throw a new argument null exception. Otherwise, we'll return file.exist. Now, file is part of the system.io namespace, so you need to do a using on that. And now it will check that file name and return a true or a false depending on whether or not that file exists.